Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and in today's video, we're going to demystify how to leverage a Maintenance Excellence Index, or MEI, to optimize profits for your maintenance team. We will delve into what an MEI is, why it's beneficial, and how you can implement it in your organization. Stick around to learn how this tool can help turn your maintenance department from a perceived cost center into a profit driver. Let's get started. Let's dive into how you can optimize profits for your maintenance team using a Maintenance Excellence Index, or MEI for short. Effective maintenance is a surefire way to boost profitability by keeping costs low. This includes costs related to safety, accidents, equipment breakdowns, MRO, inventory management, and routine upkeep. Not only does it minimize costs, but it also enhances production output quality. However, it's not uncommon for organizations to view their maintenance processes as a drain on revenue, which can lead to budget cuts. To prevent this, maintenance managers need to demonstrate how their departments can optimize profits, and one effective way to do this is through a Maintenance Excellence Index. So what exactly is a Maintenance Excellence Index? It's a method for measuring the overall success of a maintenance department. It was created by Ralph W. Peters and allows maintenance managers to focus on key metrics while optimizing profits. Creating an MEI involves selecting 10 to 15 metrics, benchmarking them, and measuring success against those benchmarks. The index records individual scores for each metric, and then a composite score is generated. The MEI is tailored to the needs of the organization, tracking only the most relevant key performance indicators. The primary purpose of the MEI is to validate results and return on investment for maintenance departments. It shows how specific maintenance metrics impact costs and profits for the organization as a whole, justifying the resources spent on maintenance tasks. Now let's talk about why using a Maintenance Excellence Index can be highly advantageous. Firstly, the MEI is a framework that can be tailored to track the metrics most important to your organization. You can choose 10 to 15 metrics to track on your spreadsheet, prioritizing them based on your specific operational context. Each item is also weighted, with a cumulative weight totaling to 100. This allows higher priority metrics to factor more into the final score than less important ones. Secondly, the MEI allows you to track multiple metrics in one place. Success in maintenance can't be measured through one single metric alone. The MEI gives a single score that reflects multiple metrics, allowing your maintenance team to check current progress at a glance. Thirdly, the MEI keeps metrics focused on profit optimization. It zeroes in on metrics that impact your organization's ability to efficiently turn a profit. Fourthly, the MEI connects long-term goals with day-to-day actions. Many of the metrics you track can be directly impacted by everyday tasks, making it easier to take action instead of spending ages analyzing how to meet your lofty goals. Fifthly, the MEI can inspire your maintenance staff. As they see how their work affects your success, your maintenance team is more likely to buy in to needed changes, ultimately making them more engaged in continuous improvement. Lastly, the MEI informs senior leadership about the importance of maintenance. It demonstrates the value of various maintenance tasks as reflected in your key indicators, preventing untimely budget cuts. There are numerous potential metrics that can be used in an MEI, such as overall maintenance budget compliance, actual maintenance cost per unit of production, consumer or capital-funded jobs completed, and many more. Remember, when creating an MEI, you'll only choose 10 to 15 of these metrics. Now, let's discuss how to implement an MEI in your facility. First, define what success looks like in your facility. Focus on your company's objectives, particularly when it comes to optimizing profit. Second, choose the metrics that will best measure your success in performing those tasks from your CMMS and financial software. Third, set goals for each metric. Benchmark your goals based on world-class standards. Fourth, assign a weight and scores to each metric. The weight of all your metrics combined should add up to 100, so it acts something like a percentage. Fifth, create a spreadsheet listing your metrics: current monthly progress, performance goal, scores, current performance level score, weighted value of each metric, weighted performance level score, and total MEI value. Sixth, track your progress. Monitor each metric through your CMMS and record your scores at regular intervals. Lastly, take action. As you track your progress and score your maintenance department in different areas, you'll likely see metrics that need improvement. With the insight you gain into your maintenance metrics, you'll be able to take action to improve your score. In conclusion, and MEI makes important metrics more visible while clearly establishing their relationship to profit optimization. With the information and scores on your index, you can keep your efforts focused on tasks that benefit your people, company, and customers while validating the investment made in your department. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of a Maintenance Excellence Index, how to implement it, and its benefits for your organization. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our services and how we can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more videos, and remember, your maintenance department is not a cost center, but a profit driver.